Hey, Mike Evingham here, natural current again here, and it's pouring rain. Just wanted to make sure everybody understands that even in this type of weather, we're still pumping water. We're sending water in our 1/2 horsepower pump. You know, it's a good 25 plus feet and a little waterfall action, but you know, it's pouring rain. Solar pump is working. We got 3-inch plumbing going on, pumping away, solar pump. You might say, well, what was it really doing? Well, right now we're getting, 48 gallons a minute, 50 gallons a minute almost. So we're doing 50 gallons a minute. Here's my little setup here. This is just running on 4 100-watt panels, my 1 horsepower. Again, this is running fantastic. I'll cover one panel just so you can see. Hey, now the water goes down. I'll cover it back up. So if you're saying, hey, I see that pumping on these 4 panels, but is it really? Well, let me cover one of the panels right now. I'm kind of over the panels. Water dies down. Let me get out of it. So you're saying, well, how does it do that with clouds and the rain? It's because it's the ambient light. It's the reflection of the light, and the ultraviolet light comes right through the clouds and hits the solar panels and makes it work. So just like you can get a sunburn in the clouds, that's why these work as well. Well, there we go. More proof. So if anybody tells you solar doesn't work really in the clouds, you can say not only does it work in the clouds, it works in the rain. You know, hopefully this video shows you once again, like all my other videos show, that going solar with your swimming pool, your pond, your water feature, whatever it is the way to go. Anybody tells you any difference is just not educated. They just don't know. You know, I've been doing trade shows after trade shows, awards after awards, trying to educate every pool builder that walks by my booth at the international shows, pool technicians, everybody that's going to help you with the right call that, hey, should I go solar? Well, the problem is you'll ask your pool builder, you'll ask the pool technician, because typically you say, my pool guy handles my pool. So you think they would know, but the bottom line is they don't know about going solar and running your pool off the grid and be more sustainable and taking your pool equipment off your utility bill. Pumping via fossil fuels through the utility is dead. It's over. It's hit its peak. So now I think this should be more than enough proof for you to get this going.